Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to increase the speed of your Excel sheet. Actually the Excel file is slow due to the formula we kept inside our Excel sheet. Each time we update or delete something, the formula gets updated and run each time, so it becomes a little lengthier. Suppose I change something here and hit enter. Look, each and every time I update or delete something, there is change in the column, and which cause our Excel file a bit lengthy. So to make it fast, just search for the formulas and in calculation option, choose the manual option. It automatically calculates all the it does not automatically calculate, but look, you can see I have inserted a formula for the calculation, so it calculates our formula. So go in calculation option and choose manual, and after addition or deletion or anything, when you hit enter, there is nothing change. You can see nothing change in any of the column. And to after addition and deletion, at last we have to calculate, then just go to calculate now option, or you can press the F9 shortcut key. Look, when I edit something, it's not updating, but when I hit F9 or calculate now, there is changes. This is the way of increasing the speed of our Excel, and you can also free your RAM by going to Windows R and write here the command like recent. It will open all the recent data on the RAM. It's just our cache file, so delete them. Okay, just press Windows R and delete all the temporary files. I already deleted all the temporary files, so there is no any temporary file. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and press the bell icon to get notification for my upcoming videos. If you have any problem related to PC, any PC problem you have, then please mention in your comment. I will solve your problem. Thanks for watching.